Good afternoon, teacher and everyone. My name is Ingrid Perico, and today I want to share with you 5 digital trends in learning and teaching. Let's go! Which digital trends are uninteresting for you? In this moment, I think that the most, because for the culture, our students don't have the capacity or the ability, or more students haven't developed the ability to take these types of course on their own. Then, rank the 5 most useful digital trends. The first is gamification. It's very important because these trends we can permit take different elements of the games and apply to our classes. This is very, very interesting for engage the student. Continue with the collaborative learning, virtual learning, learning outside the classroom environment, e-learning. And finally, immersive learning with augmented reality and virtual reality. The place. I think that in this occasion, we use these trends in the school, but it's possible to use in the company, for example. The population for our is the primary and secondary students. The subject, I think, is for all the subject. And we see the use of these trends in this presentation. Let's go. Gamification. The gamification approach uses different strategies, various activities, badges, and rewards to promote the student or learner. The gamification is designed for students to become active and motivated learners, playing educational games to learn various academic skills and earn points or rewards for competition. We can see an example of graphics for, or like, we can organize the information. Game mechanics include things like avatar, progress bar, point, leaderboards, and badges. These mechanics are pretty much the only similarity between. For context, let's define some of these game mechanics. The gamification exists to engage and motivate. Put simply, a gamification is the use of game mechanics and not game context. Game mechanics include things like avatar, progress bar, point, leaderboard, and badges. Disadvantages. Even gave many advantages of integrating gamification in education, the biggest disadvantages is related with the time necessary for preparation of a gamified lesson and for the time allocation during the lesson. As obstacles of using gamification, they mention the negative attitude or lack of methodological knowledge of some teacher and the contrasting of the curriculum. Most of the pre-service teachers prefer both paper-pencil based and technology-aided gamification. They consider solving exercise the most suitable for gamification. This collaborative approach has again importance in the learning process as well in a classroom learning model. Teacher encourages collaboration by assigning groups activities and tasks. When students team up together to work on a project or solve a problem. Yes, this trend is collaborative learning. Virtual learning. This approach helps you to create more effective, flexible, and learning. Certain teaching, learning, and gaming will be more, and learners can game more while participating in online assignments. The virtual learning approach helps the instructor to think about the best way to teach learning and use the appropriate technology to achieve their goals. Learning outside the classroom environment be learning. These students can learn at their own pace and time. The pupil can go through their course anything and anywhere. Internet connection is no longer an issue with offline reading capabilities. E-books can be embedded with many features to enhance the learning experience, complete with annotation tools, bookmarks, hyperlink, dictionary, search features, and ebooks makes learning more flexible. And finally, a student will experience of learning through virtual reality. Students benefit greatly from ability to make theoretical information into an actual experience. For instance, virtual reality gets along biology students, for example. This is the immersive learning with augmented reality and virtual reality. This great trends is a good opportunity for explore more about there. Thank you so much and see you later.